Oh, I wasn't videoing. I did it again.
Can I have it down the People are just like, hey, what the H-E devil? Yeah. Oh my god, did you just see the plane?
Wait. Don't do that.
Dude, would you rather go to practice or do this?
Yeah, I wanted you to see it.
You have to do this on Saturday. Dad, I command you. No, we have.
They didn't have this music in the new one?
I have.
I figured they'd have some of the same music.
Yeah, they did.
They've never seen Resident Evil.
One of my friends. Not here, but different.
It's actually a really good movie.
It is.
Oh, I can't see Jett when he turns. Hopefully he'll turn right and I'll see him.
How many years was it?
Those in the 80s?
I think we're going back.
Let's see. Yeah! Keep it going. Yeah, you gotta go down the main base.
Go around the whole base.
I actually saw this yesterday, 2 days ago on Friday.
Got it back out. What were they playing music-wise? You have to drive around the map to kind of change this one. No, our kids just went up that. They call it the bump.
What the H-E double hockey sticks?
Everybody likes this thing. It's so awesome. You should have gotten one today. I'm liking it. You have a smart drive around the base. You can do it as a mental health.
Yeah, you can send them back.
Theirs might be a by the book way to do it.
I'm seriously doing
I want to move my window
To get a small Korean truck with
I get it! He's smiling. You have to do this on Saturday.
I have to.
Yes.
No, this is Jett's thing.
No!
it. Yes, I agree.
I want to
You
watch.
can't share. Sometimes Jett gets something cool, and sometimes you get something cool.
Wait, can we just do this on a daily
Maybe you get a
basis?
date with Thor or something.
a date with.
Hang out and get pulled forward to help.
Mom, it's a date. Cool.
Play games. Not like go forward or something. Don't do it.
No. This is what we have to do. have to, so you have to inflate this giant ball with a little horn stuff. I'm gonna get in the ball, and then
See, everybody that goes by.
so you'll get by me one of those inflatable balls like that you can go into, and then no, I'll go in it and then clap my arms, and then when we go to the football field and then you just roll me around, and then we'll get home and then you can roll me down the hill,
Or can push you around
and then Mochi.
Mochi would like go after you and kick you.
Mochi would pop it.
Yeah.
She would bite it.
Yeah, but you definitely.
That was Michael Jackson.
Are we going?
You guys know Michael Jackson?
That was Michael Jackson.
What was so random? This guy have a nice base too.
Driving us home, Dad?
No, he's going up the hill.
Why does he have a red wine?
Oh, that Korean guy's like just like, yeah. Uh-oh.
What was that?
That didn't sound good.
Did it break? Oh no.
Something happened. We killed the truck.
Go!
It must be a stick shift.
He has a stick shift.
Okay. I'm
This
good.
guy has a stick shift.
Miami sound machine.
They're gonna make it up there.
This guy has a stick shift.
Oh, I want to roll down this hill with my giant inflatable ball. Like,
Oh, that'd be kind of fun too, yeah.
That'd be kind of dangerous.
Well, I mean, if they stop traffic. But so you know how your bike has different rings, right? And different rings make it easier to start on the flat or go uphill and go fast, right? Well, the car has the same thing. There's different gears inside your engine that make it easier for the car to either start, stop, go fast, and slow. And automatically changes throughout the gears, so that your car just knows what gear needs to be in and faster. Change it for you. Yes. But on automatic, you physically have to change the gears and just be done. So
then how are you supposed to do that?
there's a stick. There's literally, they call it a stick shift. It's a stick.
That Grandma had before it got chewed up
Oh,
by
yeah.
rats. There was a one car on there that I could never use because I couldn't understand how to use that stick. But all the other cars, there's 4 cars. The yellow one I could never use because of that weird stick. I
Yep.
was like, what is going on?
That's an
And all
automatic
the other
versus a
cars,
stick shift.
The red, in the second, there are 2 yellows. The red, the yellow, and the green I could always use, but that other yellow.
Seriously, everyone that passes the Miami Sound Machine, I like smile and you could totally write that off as a morale through the base morale.
What's going to say?
That thing even allowed to go off range. What's that?
I'm joking about that.
Yeah.
They're just having a
Just go.
meeting. We have to drop her off to go to school.
She's going to the set to a coffee. She's not. It's not a meeting. She's meeting with a friend.
Oh.
Osan Tower, where we used to live last time. We just passed Saijon's school there. Oh, we should have been narrating the tour. And there is the med group building right here.
And the garage for cars.
Yeah. 51st med group. There's mom's sign.
Wait, where?
Oh, going up by our house. Sweet.
Yes! We can walk. And then they have to ride back. Wait, what? Well, actually, wait, did Jett say to drop me off at home?
No. He's just doing the tour.
Wait, where do you go?
Jirasan Tower, yeah. Jirasan.
Oh no.
You're saying.
I bet you some of my friends are gonna be here and be like, what the AT double hockey sticks?
Why are you double hockey sticking today? Don't worry about that.
Because I feel like we're gonna
Oh,
Hi, Talmadge.
Talmadge is like, oh, does that Jett? You got a ride in the Miami Sound Machine?
Birthday.
Mr. O'Connell.
Whee! See that guy? He's like, he's like the troll face.
Uh-oh, he's going in the med group.
Oh no!
Med group.
Oh no!
What? What? I don't know. What are you knowing?
He's really taking
Black
this.
cats. What? I don't know. What are you making that face for? Okay, no more. I don't think they like to turn left.
Who?
They just make all right turns.
Who?
The Miami Sound Machine.
He just turned right now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah!
Hey, don't yell, you crazy person.
What?
Oh, yeah, getting other looks for him. Everybody loves the Miami Sound Machine. That's the coolest.
I want to imagine our security in the
We got the
back.
new chapel that we'll never set foot in because
That's
it's been
not
under
cool.
construction since we got here, and it's going
That's
to
not
open
cool.
after we leave. We got the E Club here. We just passed the O Club.
We can ask
Going
them.
down, this is the main street of the base. We got the Chili's on the right.
Hi,
The
Cheers.
library on
I
the
want
left.
my baby back, baby back, baby back.
Hi, Cheers.
We got the The BX is where we get our mail.
What's the
Mail
P?
room, post office, base theater there. And that's the base.
No, that's not the whole base.
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. Not the whole base.
I mean, we just kind of went through the whole base in about 20 minutes.
That's how you know our base is small.
It's not very big.
That one strand of hair.
Everybody loves it. They're after us.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't say that.
I thought you were not joking. I was like, oh no. Did we do something? Hi, Jett.
That was
Dude,
awesome.
that's super cool. You see Talmadge?
Yes.
He was like, is that Jett?